In this video, I will talk about the sun and light setting in Blender. Let's delete the box and click on Add, select Mesh tool and pick Monkey Object. Press and hold S button and move the mouse. Your object will be bigger and smaller. I want to add plane under the monkey. Click Add, select Mesh tool and click Plane. Press and hold the S button and move the mouse again. Then click on the camera layer. Right click, view and select Show Active. Click Render Image from Render menu. We see the monkey on active stage. Then go to the layer and click on Light. Select on Data, choose Sun from the option. Click on Viewport Shading. We can see that the light is exceptionally bright. So we can use the tool on the light to do the shading. So we can take in different direction and improve the lighting. We can change the color of the light from the color option. And change the color of the whole area light in the strength setting. With orientation, we can change the alignment of the sun from points X, Y, Z. Or we can play with the sun angle as well. Thank you for watching.